Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC B2988, signifies an issue concerning the AC compressor variable capacity control solenoid circuit. This circuit plays a crucial role in regulating the air conditioning system's performance by controlling the flow of refrigerant within the compressor based on the cooling demands of the vehicle's climate control system. The solenoid essentially modulates the compressor's capacity to enhance efficiency and maintain optimal cabin temperatures. In the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023, the solenoid can typically be located near the AC compressor. When this trouble code is triggered, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system identifies a failure in the solenoid circuit, which can manifest as reduced AC efficiency or complete failure of the air conditioning system. Understanding and addressing this code is crucial for proper AC operation and general vehicle comfort. DTC B2988 indicates a malfunction in the AC compressor variable capacity control solenoid circuit. This circuit directly affects how the refrigerant flows through the AC system, impacting the overall cooling performance within the vehicle. The variable capacity control solenoid is responsible for adjusting the compressor's output to match the cooling requirements, ensuring efficiency and comfort. In the Honda Accord, this component can typically be found integrated with the AC compressor assembly, which is usually located at the front of the engine bay. A failure in this circuit can lead to insufficient cooling inside the cabin during hot weather, making it essential to diagnose and resolve the issue. If the circuit is interrupted or experiencing short circuits, it can lead to high pressure in the AC system or failure to engage the compressor entirely. The potential causes for the DTC B2988 include an open circuit in the sole outline, which could disrupt the signal from the climate control unit to the solenoid, preventing proper operation. Similarly, an open circuit in the sole inline can hinder the functionality of the solenoid itself, affecting refrigerant modulation. Furthermore, a short to ground in either of the wires can create a direct connection to the vehicle's chassis, causing the circuit to malfunction. Each of these issues may arise from wear and tear, corrosion, or improper connections within the harnesses that link the AC components. Identifying the specific point of failure is vital to restoring functionality and ensuring that the AC system operates as designed. Symptoms associated with the DTC B2988 may include a noticeable reduction in the air conditioning system's cooling performance, where drivers may feel warmer air being expelled from the vents. In some instances, the AC system may fail to engage altogether, leaving the vehicle without functional climate control. Additionally, the illumination of DTC Indicator 61 serves as an alert for the driver or technician that there is a malfunction in the AC compressor's variable capacity control system. If these symptoms present themselves, it is crucial to conduct a thorough diagnostic procedure. A functional air conditioning system is essential for passenger comfort, especially in warmer climates, highlighting the need to address this error promptly. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC B2988, the technician should begin with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored trouble codes. This initial action helps ensure that the diagnosis is based on current data, eliminating any past intermittent faults from consideration. After clearing the codes, it's important to switch the vehicle from off lock mode to the on mode, allowing the system to reset and prepare for a self-check. Following this, the technician should perform the self-diagnostic function using the HDS or the climate control unit. This process typically takes about a minute, during which the onboard system can reevaluate the circuit status and potentially reveal any persistent DTCs. By checking for DTCs again after this procedure, the technician can determine whether the problem is a consistent fault or an intermittent issue that requires a different diagnostic approach. In this step, the technician must verify the integrity of the sol out line. To begin, the vehicle should be turned to the off-lock mode. Once in this mode, disconnect the climate control unit connector A32P and the AC compressor clutch 3P connector to eliminate any interference during testing. The technician will then check for continuity between two specific test points: the climate control unit connector A, terminal 14, and the AC compressor clutch 3P connector, terminal 2. This check is performed under the condition that both connectors remain disconnected, allowing for accurate measurement. If continuity is present, it indicates that the sol out wire is intact, and the technician can proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if no continuity exists, it confirms an open circuit in the sol out line, necessitating repairs to restore proper electrical connectivity. The third troubleshooting step focuses on the SOL inline to further diagnose the cause of DTC B2988. Similar to the previous step, the technician will ensure the vehicle is in off-lock mode. After confirming the mode, the same connectors, climate control unit connector A, 32P, and AC compressor clutch 3P connector should remain disconnected. The objective here is to check for continuity between climate control unit connector A, terminal 30, and the AC compressor clutch 3P connector, terminal 3. Testing continuity under these conditions eliminates any potential interference that could skew results. If continuity is observed, it suggests that the SOL in wire is operating correctly, allowing the technician to proceed further with diagnostics. However, a lack of continuity indicates an open circuit in the SOL inline, requiring the necessary repairs to ensure the effective functioning of the AC solenoid circuit. In this critical step, the technician will assess the SOL outline for potential shorts to ground, which could be causing an erratic signal to the AC compressor variable capacity control solenoid. The vehicle should still be in the off-lock mode, and both previously mentioned connectors should remain disconnected for accuracy. The technician will check for continuity between climate control unit connector A, terminal 14, and a suitable body ground point. If continuity exists, it signifies that the SOL out wire has a short circuit somewhere along its length, and immediate repair is necessary to prevent further damage to the electrical system. It is essential to locate and rectify any shorts in the wiring to ensure reliable AC operation. If there is no continuity, it implies that the SOL out wire is functioning properly, allowing the technician to continue diagnosing further steps. Continuing with the diagnostic procedure, the technician now turns attention to the SOL inline to check for similar shorts to ground. As with the previous steps, the vehicle should be in the off-lock mode, and the aforementioned connectors should remain disconnected. The focus here will be to check for continuity between climate control unit connector A, terminal 30, and the vehicle's body ground. If continuity is found, this indicates that there is a short in the wiring of the SOL inline, which poses a risk for the AC system's proper functioning and must be repaired without delay to restore system integrity. A lack of continuity suggests that the SOL in wire is functioning as expected, allowing the technician to proceed to check the final components of the system. Thorough investigation and correction of any wiring issues are vital to avoid recurring DTC issues. In the last troubleshooting step, the technician will directly test the AC compressor variable capacity control solenoid to ascertain its operational integrity. This test assesses whether the solenoid can correctly modulate the flow of refrigerant in response to signals from the climate control unit. If the solenoid is verified to be functioning correctly, it may be determined that the issue lies within the climate control unit itself, leading to a recommendation for replacement of this unit. Conversely, if the solenoid is found to be faulty, it necessitates replacement of the AC compressor, as the solenoid's performance is intrinsic to the compressor's ability to function efficiently. This concluding diagnostic step is crucial in resolving DTC B2988 and ensuring optimal operation of the vehicle's air conditioning system. After completing the necessary repairs or component replacements, it's critical to verify that the repairs have been successful in resolving DTC B2988. The technician should start by clearing the DTCs again using the HDS to reset the system's memory. Following this, a comprehensive test of the AC system functionality is performed to ensure that it operates properly across different settings and temperatures. Observing the system function without illuminating any trouble codes is a good indication that the repair has been successful. It's important to monitor for any recurrence of faults in the days following the repairs, providing reassurance that the vehicle's AC system is back to reliable performance. Conducting this final verification step is essential for ensuring long-term customer satisfaction and correct vehicle operation. To mitigate the chances of encountering DTC B2988 in the future, preventive maintenance is paramount. Regular electrical checks should be scheduled to monitor the condition of wiring harnesses and connectors associated with the AC system. Any signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections should be promptly addressed to avoid further issues. Routine inspections of the AC system can also help ensure that the components are functioning optimally, which includes verifying the proper operation of the variable capacity control solenoid. Additionally, performing seasonal maintenance can help maintain the system's efficiency and longevity, eventually contributing to a more reliable and comfortable driving experience. Taking these preventive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering similar issues in Honda Accords. In conclusion, understanding DTC B2988 is crucial for efficiently diagnosing and resolving issues related to the AC compressor variable capacity control solenoid circuit in the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. Identifying specific wiring issues, such as open circuits or shorts to ground, is vital for effective repairs and ensuring that the air conditioning system operates correctly. The troubleshooting steps outlined provide a comprehensive framework for technicians to follow, thus optimizing diagnostic accuracy and repair outcomes. Furthermore, implementing regular maintenance practices is essential to prevent future occurrences of this DTC and to guarantee sustained system reliability. Overall, addressing DTC B2988 in a timely and effective manner will enhance the driving experience through improved air conditioning performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.